Well, actually, it's evening. I don't really know what time it is, but it's like 11 something. So I got a video for you guys today. Look how dirty my area is. I can't keep working like this. It has been like this, especially this area. Y'all, I gotta clean this up. And I have more work that I have to do, but I gotta clean it up. I don't even know where to start. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prop y'all up right here like last time so y'all can pretty much see everything. Don't come for me in them comments. I know it's dirty up in here, but it's gonna get cleaned up, so don't worry. But I had to work yesterday. I had to embroider a book bag and a lunchbox. And then I had 8, 9, 10 masks to do. And then I also had to do a shirt, a birthday shirt. Sorry, that was a notification from FedEx. I have some stuff coming in from FedEx, but y'all, like, even my mannequins like not where they're supposed to be. And then this one's right here. Like, I had to show someone a wig, which I still haven't put up. It's right here. So I'm actually gonna put y'all on my other tripod because I can just sit y'all right there and you can see me do everything. But yeah, this is the week my kids go back to school, so it's kind of like in these corona times. But yeah, y'all, so I am gonna have music playing and don't want to get copyrighted. Of course, y'all know that whole spiel. Oh yeah. And if you're new here, what you know you gotta do? What you know you gotta do? You got to subscribe. Yeah, hit it right there. It right there. Yeah, y'all, it's funny. I'm about to tell y'all a story about that subscribe stuff. But now that's going to be my signature way of how I say, you got to subscribe. Anyways, y'all. But y'all see how I got braided up. Got me some knotless done. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, you can see that mirror. Oh, that mirror look dirty. Oh, that's so embarrassing. Anyway, but yeah, almost fell. Got me some little knotless in, y'all. But I'm going to put y'all on this tripod. I was trying to find it. I got shirts everywhere. Coupons everywhere. First of all, why do these people sending these coupons? Why? I got to throw this away. Like, it's a little disgraceful. But we're going to get through it because in the next video, I got a surprise for y'all. And I'm going to try not to be extra. But that's my middle name. Keshara is extra. My last name. So, yeah. So, yeah, y'all, we got to get this cleaned up. Because I got a tutu outfit I have to make. It's coming in the next video. Woo. So, I'm just going to, like I said, prop y'all up. Try to get this area as clean as possible so I can work on the next project because I can't work like this. Like, I can't be one of those people. I can't. It's too much stuff everywhere. Like, look at this. Look at this table. I'm hoping I'm giving y'all a good view of the table. I know my retainer's sitting right there. I literally just took it out the case. So, don't come for me. But, yeah, y'all, we finna get this cleaned up because I can't work like this. See you in the next clip. Alright guys, so in the middle of me recording, me cleaning up this area, I got a phone call. I didn't know it stopped recording. But I have cleaned up. Eating a little healthy snack. Some fruit. And of course, water. But yeah, so I'm done. If you could give this video a thumbs up, I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you be grateful, stay thankful, and stay blessed. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.